biggest things in sales today is relationship building. And one of the worst things that we see in managing salespeople is the assumption that they have great relationships with their clients or their customers. So one of the best things that we can do is to really uncover if they have as great a relationships as they say, or that they assume that they have. One of the best things that we can do is to ask questions, coaching questions, centered around the theme of relationship building. One of the best things that salespeople do when they build out their business is to deepen their relationships with their customers. But on the other hand, many people will trick themselves into thinking they have these great relationships when in fact they don't. And they set themselves up for falls. For example, many times salespeople will negotiate on behalf of the customer. So when the customer asks for a lower price, they'll give it to them because that's part of the relationship building process. Or is it? When in fact, relationships that are strong really should never have objections. So one of the best things that we can do as sales managers or sales coaches is to find out what they're doing to build relationships. Let me give you a few questions. First of all, what are you doing right now to deepen your relationships with your customers from an action perspective? Number two, what are 2 or 3 things you've done in the last month that would differentiate you from the competition? Now, let me warn you, if they cannot answer those questions, you've just learned something valuable. They probably don't have the relationships that they could. That's not a detriment, that's their opportunity to improve.